what you do first is to, let me refresh this. Okay, so what you do first is to make sure you go to your sandbox, activate your sandbox, and the first thing you do always is to create your README. So once you come here, remember you need to first of all, before you start creating your README, you have to go through your repository and then you create this directory. So that is done in your sandbox. So you just do your cd into your repository. And then you can do your ls. You can see I already have it here. Where is it? Where are you? D here. So, but to create that on your own, you just do mkdir space, and then you enter the directory name. Okay, now it's going to say, oh, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be D, not S. Okay, so it's going to say file already exists. So what I'll do, I'm just going to delete this particular one because that's an error. So I'll just do my ls. Now you can see the one I made a mistake here. So I just have to delete that by using rm. That's remove directory, and it's out. So it's gone. All right, so let me clear this place so we have a clean working sheet. Clean instead of clear. So now that you've created your, okay, move to the directory. I have to, once you've created that, the next thing you do is you change directory. Okay, you use your cd space hold on, network is okay, so cd space, and that's, so we've moved into this directory. So the first thing you do is to create your readme file. So you just come up, you can just copy it as it is here and then paste here by doing your vi space readme. Readme is compulsory for every project you're working on because that's where you describe exactly what you are up to. Now at this point, you just type these things out or you copy and paste. These are the activities. Okay, object like macro, you can see it there, and then what you're to do in it, you see it there. So that's just how you do each and every PI is the next. Okay, with that here. So once you're done, you just do your escape and colon WQ. But I'm just going to quit because I didn't edit anything there. So you have successfully created your README. The next thing to do is to come and create your first file. So now you have to create your first file, and this is your first file. So all you do is you do your vi space, oh, come on. Okay, do your vi space 0-object underscore like underscore macro .h. Okay, now you just hit enter. This is what you're going to input inside your file, just as it is like this. The moment you're done, you just hit your escape and then shift colon WQ, just as you can see here. But since I didn't edit anything, I'll just use the Q, which is quit, and you have successfully created this file. So at this point, all you just need to do is you do your git add space dots and then do your git commit space -m space, your description, which is this. So you can just copy this or type it inside here. Macro, objects like macro. Once you're done doing that, you hit enter, and then the next thing you do is you do your git push. Okay, the moment you push it to your GitHub, you're done with this particular task. All you now need to do is check your code. This main.c is optional. It is optional. Remember here they mentioned using GCC. Yeah, so if you wish to create this, you can see I created main.c. Okay, now to create that, all you need to do is just copy this, come here, do your vi space 0-main.c, hit your enter. Okay, you can see the code here. So this code is what they gave you here. All you just have to do is copy this from here down, copy it, paste it into your sandbox, and then save using your WQ, that is write and quit. But I'm just using Q always because I didn't edit anything. So, but you need to write and quit in your own time. Now you successfully created this. The next thing you do is to run your GCC because you have created this file. So you just copy this, come here, paste, and then hit your enter to run your GCC on this for this 0-main. Okay, now once you're done, remember to do your git add, git commit, and then git push. You are done with this, so you just come and check your code. The next thing you do is to come and work on task PI. So you just come here, you copy this, do the same thing, just do your vi space, sorry, didn't click here, vi space 1-pi.h. Then that's the code you need to input here for your PI. You can see the code here. So once you input this code, you save, you write and quit using your WQ, and then you have successfully created this. The next thing you do for this is to do your git add space dot, do your git commit, and then give your instruction inside, which is PI. Okay, just as it is here. And then the next thing you do is you do your git push to push it to your GitHub. So for the codes, I'm going to make the codes available to you in the description box below, and all you just have to do is type them out yourself, because the more you type, the better you get in the coding process. So once you're done, you come and check your code, yeah, and then you are done with this. It's definitely going to be green, all green for you. So you come to the next one, you create this. All right, just as you can see, I have it all here. All the codes will be made available, so you can just get that done and get done with your assignment. If you have any questions, you can just feel free to ask in the comment section below. And if there's any other thing, anything you are finding challenging about this, just ask. And so guys, if this video actually helped you solve a task, if it actually helped you get through this, just give me a like, please. It really helps boost my my page. And if you have a comment, you can just comment thank you or nice, just something to encourage me to keep doing this. So guys, that's it about creating this. Remember, you're going to do the same thing like I said for the main.c. You're going to create this file and then you input the code in it. You're going to create this one as well. You can see I have it here too, here. And then you're going to create this file. This is the last one here. Input the code and then do your git add, git commit, and then git push. So in summary, this is just what you need to do. Okay. Sorry, I'm just going to take some of these so I don't get to type all. Okay. Okay, now the first thing you do for this particular project, which is your preprocessor, okay, for this preprocessor, all you have to do is, first thing first, you go through your resources, okay, also observe the general requirements, and then you answer your quiz. When you're done, the next thing to do is this shouldn't be step 1. This should be step 1. Here, this should be step 2. And then this should be step 3. Okay, so you go through your repository. This is your repository. Okay, after you've opened your sandbox, you go through your repository and then create this directory, and then you create your readme file inside the new directory. Okay, so at this point you can now start creating the files and input the scripts. Okay, and then save. The moment you're that, there is no Betty here, so you are not running any Betty. So that rules out Betty. And then the next thing you do is you do your git add, and then do your git commit, and then you do your git push. So that's how you get this preprocessor done. So the mkdir is, this is your directory that I'm talking about. You do your mkdir for the processor to create this directory, which you'll be working in. So that's it. So if this video actually helped you, cheers guys. Stay updated by coming by, check on the new videos, and then do well to give me a thumbs up so as to encourage me to keep doing more for you guys. Okay, so we go together, we grow together. See you guys in the next video. Cheers and bye.